Hello. In this video, we will discuss the compressed air duster designed specifically for cleaning keyboards, computers, and cars. This device comes with several exciting features that make it an excellent tool for maintaining the cleanliness of your electronic equipment. Let's take a look at its features and how to use it. Features of the compressed air duster. 51,000 RPM. This device boasts a high wind speed of 51,000 revolutions per minute, making it highly efficient in quickly removing dust and debris. USB charging. The device comes with a USB charging port, making it rechargeable and environmentally friendly. You can easily charge it using a standard USB cable. Portable and lightweight. The device is portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry and use wherever you need it. Suitable for a variety of applications, this device can be used to clean your keyboard, computer, laptop, and other electronic devices such as cameras and smartphones, as well as for cleaning the interior of your car. How to use it. Charge the device. Before using the device, make sure to fully charge it using a USB cable. Assembly. Assemble the different parts of the device so that it is ready for use. Turn it on. After assembling the device, you can simply turn it on by pressing the power button. The high-speed airflow will start removing dust and debris. Air direction. Use the emitted air to remove dust from hard-to-reach places, such as narrow keyboard keys or computer ventilation slots. Turn it off. After finishing using the device, turn it off and disconnect it from the power source. Tips for use. Always use the device in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling dust. Do not direct the air directly towards your eyes or skin. Keep the device out of the reach of children. By using the compressed air duster, you can maintain the cleanliness of your electronic devices and extend their lifespan. It's a useful and easy-to-use tool for anyone looking to keep their devices in excellent condition.